Okay, so students, today we are going to discuss about, I am going to demonstrate one project dashboard, how it is being used by the organizations for monitoring the performance of any project that the company is undertaking, right? So this data might be coming from a ERP software, right? Which is actually recording all kinds of activities that are happening in a major project. Just imagine one project which was having multiple sub steps. There are 5 steps, and then there are around 40 activities that were actually defined in a particular project, right? So for that project to be completed in time, what was done? There was some planning that was done. That okay, first activity will start on day number one or week number one. Then day number two or week number two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 24. Up to 24 weeks, we are starting the activities. And this is the duration that was planned. That, okay, one particular activity will take how much of time? For example, activity 4 will take 8 weeks of time. That is the planning. On this side, we are having the actual, how the project is actually performing. We started this activity on first week. We started on first week. It was planned to complete in 5 weeks. It has been completed in 2 weeks. Okay. On the right side, again, we are having the due week. When this activity was planned to be due, it was planned to be due in 5th week, but actually it completed in 2 weeks. So again, it is showing you some more data, how much of percentage this activity has been done and how much it was planned to be done. Is there any difference whether an activity is working on time, on schedule, whether it is delayed or whether it is ahead? Right? So this is the data which is showing the progress of any project, right? Here we have some more information here. How many of the project activities are delayed? How many activities are on schedule? How many activities are ahead? Step wise also we have the data, okay, which particular step has been completed, which particular stage is underway. Then we have this data on the right side, which is talking about week number 1, remaining planned activities, actual milestone, all those things have been actually mentioned from that ERP software. Are you able to find out what is the progress of your project overall? क्या कुछ आपको बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर पिक्चर मिल रहा है कि इस प्रोजेक्ट में एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है? These all facts are simply showing how the different activities are performing against the plan. So for this, what has been done, some graphics have been created. Graphics with the help of some simple Excel formula that have been actually created here, right? I'm not going to tell you how to develop those graphics. That will be done by the technical team in your company. But this is one example which will give you an idea how to utilize Excel for monitoring the progress of any project in your company. So we have this dashboard ready with us. This is a fantastic dashboard as per my idea. What it is showing that in this particular project, these are the activities. 8 activities are going on. This is the status of their completion. So rest of the activities I'm not showing here. Similarly, step-wise also it is showing me step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is their progress report? Then in the center, this spatial graph, it is showing me, okay, these are the activities that were actually planned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All those activities are shown here. And with the help of this chart, I can see how these activities are actually performing. Right? Using these scroll bars, I can see, okay, activity 1 was planned like this. Activity 2 was planned like this. Activity 3 was planned like this. Right? So this is the chart which is showing me what are the activities. And the current week is 12th week. So a spatial identification that as per the plan, this is how it should have performed. And this is the actual. This is how we are actually performing. So changing this, you can check how we are actually performing our activities in the company. On the top on this side, we are also mentioning the status of our activities. Delayed 3, on schedule and ahead. Completed how many percent? 47% of the activities have been completed. In the lower section, it is showing you that project timeline. Week wise, it is showing you that within 31 weeks, project number 1, step 1 is over, step 2 is over, step 3 is over, and 23rd week, step 4 will be over. So these are all graphics which are helping me in monitoring the performance of this project. Burn down, how much of activities we have actually completed. 40 activities were actually planned, 40 activities are planned, and how many are pending? So we will keep on checking. As per plan, gray line, and as per actual, it is orange line. So this graphic representation is helping the company in analyzing the performance of this particular project. Okay. So at the lower level of the management, this data, raw data, is being used, right? So the people who are working on the operations, they are actually entering this data into software. This data is being analyzed with the help of this dashboard by the mid-level managers. The project manager will be happy to actually monitor the performance of their project with the help of this dashboard, right? So all these things in the formula bar, you can see there are certain formulas that have been created. I hope you can see these formulas on the formula bar. VLOOKUP command has been created.
Yes, sir.
If C11 equal to blank, then what? Otherwise VLOOKUP. Similarly here, you are having this data sheet. You are having the data from different sheet. Here also you are having this VLOOKUP command, right? Some complex formula have been used. Depending on your Excel skills, you can actually identify what kind of application I am going to develop for my company. Okay. Similarly, here also you will have some formula. In the lower section, we are having this chart. So all those charts and formula, they are all product of MS Excel only. What happens for the senior people in the company? For them, we have written some programming. Small programming has been written. This is the tweet board that can be shown to the company owner, right? Suppose you are submitting a report, you want to put it in the social media, or you want to publish it in the company's annual report or something. So this is the tweet board that has been created. And this is all dynamic. The moment your data will change here in the raw file, you will see the changes will happen on the project tweet board also, right? For example, step number, it is showing it is a 12th week of the project, 47% it is done. Planned completion was 44%. We are having 8 ongoing activities and 15 finished activities. If I change the activities from here, some data I will make the changes, we will find, okay, some of the data has been right protected. You cannot alter the data. But this particular tweet board will give more concrete idea to the business owners, right? For example, it is showing out of the 8 activities, 3 of activities are delayed, 2 are scheduled, and rest are ahead of the planning, right? So far we have 25 activities to be finished. Planned for this week would be 24 remaining activities. Next week we are, according to the plan, we should have the 24 remaining activities. So what is happening? The raw data has been converted into dashboard, and from the dashboard we have created one more higher level of information for the bosses of the company in the form of tweet board. Okay? So this is
Yes, sir.
data analytics is going to help with the help of MS Excel for monitoring the performance of any company, right? Okay, so next topic that I wanted to start with today